Bullish flow cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $8.50 by 2030. Market examiners accept flow could reach $3.50 by 2025. Bearish flow market cost expectation for 2023 is 80 cents. Flow presentation. With the utilization of specialized investigation and principal cost history, this guide will give you a vibe of the flow cost projection for the impending years and its expected development. A reasonable comprehension of what's on the horizon as far as how high the costs will go will become obvious at the finish of this flow cost expectation. You will likewise find out about flow's future. A digital currency is before long going to turn into a popular resource. What is flow? Smart Labs made flow, an engineer cordial and decentralized high-velocity blockchain, to drive the up-and-coming age of games, applications, and virtual resources. Scaling is conceivable with flow's multi-job engineering absent any and all sharding. It has a designer well-disposed in a corrosive cordial climate with better throughput. Clients might keep up with command over their information with the assistance of the flow application. Open economies are conceivable, and virtual abundance is accessible wherever on the planet. A great many clients, from gamers to corporate chiefs, might be served by means of multi-job engineering without fragmenting or debilitating decentralized agreement. Flow's shrewd agreements are made utilizing Rhythm, the most straightforward and most secure programming language. Paying safely and suitable assistance are highlights of the customer onboarding plan. By further developing the client communication, corrosive exchanges put the flow environment aside from extra blockchain and digital money areas tightens. The objective of flow celebration is to join local people and move them to foster the biology. There are lowercase forms of each and every flow project. Impending NFT drop, an AMR report, crypto felines, UFC, Vast Ocean, Warner Music Gathering, NFLPA, Star, Ubisoft, Binance, Jenny's, Samsung, NBA Top Shot, Berkeley, Circle, and more associations have worked with the Flow local area. Flow is an open-source tooling framework that incorporates Flow JavaScript, Flow Go Programming Improvement Pack, Flow Jungle Gym GUI, Visual Studio Code Augmentation, and comprehensible security. Extra highlights of the Flow incorporate a savvy client record, engineer biological system, and prize projects. Flow specialized investigation. A few characteristics stand apart while assessing Flow's specialized pointers to conclude whether it is a reasonable venture. These highlights, combined with cost figures, act as significant measures to assess digital currencies. These components are covered beneath. Sharding. Enormous volumes of information are split into small pieces, which causes the cycle to work like a well-oiled machine. Moreover, it makes it feasible for consistent progress between different digital currencies and exchanges across various stages and frameworks. Interoperability. The Flow environment makes it feasible for different blockchain conventions to run one next to the other without causing clashes, information traffic, or other fundamental issues. Interoperability is made conceivable by the quick exchange times and reasonable handling costs. Transactability. The GameFi and NFT patterns are on the ascent, and this is assisting the Flow biological system with progressing step by step. Not long from now, unparalleled all earlier marks is expected. Administration. The Flow biological system gives enormous Flow coin holders motivators by remembering them for administration and independent direction. Financial backers can partake in changing the stage's working construction and have a first-line vote on specific sales, like how customary stocks get profits. Security. The extraordinary security elements of the Flow environment ought to be your fundamental inspiration for financial planning. Notes and diggers cooperated to foster a check and equilibrium to save security on the organization. Ethereum's mining framework is gotten by a mining component, which fills in as its establishment, because of the end of misrepresentation brought about by the granddad and darling security checks. Flow turns out to be more steady and significant as a speculation. Flow current cost. Flow is at present worth $1 USD. Flow has moved 7.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $65,169,107. Flow is at present positioned 43 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,020,992,133 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Flow to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Flow value expectation 2023. Flow, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Flow cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.50. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Flow is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. Flow Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, flow cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of flow will before long outperform $2.50. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the flow's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, flow will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. Flow Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.50 and flow might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Flow is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2025. Flow Value Expectation 2026. Assuming flow effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the flow coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, flow will be green in 2026. The flow is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. Flow Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the flow cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2027, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, flow has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. Flow Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that flow figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help flow needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6. Flow Value Forecast 2029. While flow is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2029. Flow Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, flow will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. Flow Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest flow